this. So we must create a multidisciplinary center for research and innovation. Innovation is very, very critical. Research, innovation, entrepreneurship development, and Gujaratis are known for that all over the world. Entrepreneurship development. It is entrepreneurship based on innovation that will create wealth for our country. Today, if you see, one innovation like what Microsoft did, what Google did, what we see in social media, one innovation can create wealth equivalent to the GDP of several nations put together. One innovation, one idea. Friends, I challenge you. I don't challenge you, I urge you really to think of that kind of thing. That kind of innovation, they must come from India now. Such works, and they are coming. And in this process, when we create wealth, we will have to contribute back to our universities, back to our alma maters. And that's how great universities have been built by alumni. Today we have great alumni here. We are honored Dr. Anil Nayak. We are honored also Mr. Singhvi. They have created L&T, they have created Sun Pharma. They are like great multinational companies of India, building the nation, creating right place in pharma industry, and many others like that. We will have to, they stand by honoring them. We have created exemplars that what kind of work I should do when I'm confused. Then I look at Mr. Anil Nayak, I look at Mr. Singhvi, that these people, how did they start? They narrated their life stories and how did they achieve great heights for us. Our universities has a great alumni. I think no university has such great alumni. You see the alumni of this university, starting from Vinoba Bhave, Acharya Aurobindo Ghosh, great spiritual leaders, great educationists, technologists like Sam Pitroda, and many others, management luminaries, legal luminaries. You must take place in such luminaries so that the university is proud of you and you are proud of the university. Friends, I pray that don't get satisfied with a degree. You must make a marketplace because the future belongs to, somebody has said that the 21st century, and the world believes this, 21st century is India's century. I never imagine the life, in my own lifetime I will see when my country, and when I was born, India got independence, and we saw how we saw abject poverty. And from that state, when once upon a time a great nation of the world, until 17th century, from the Vedic times, over tens of thousands of years, 10,000 years, we can say, suddenly has reduced to a poor country. And today, I also seen, when I'm now 7 decades old, I see that my country has come as the third largest economy of the world in PPP terms, purchasing power parity terms. But I see that, as it is visualized, if you consider the purchasing power parity, we will, before we celebrate the centenary of our independence, we will be the, I think, may talk of economic terms, the number one nation of the world. I have no doubt, I am not making an exaggeration here. We have the largest growth rate today, but we have to sustain this. There are several challenges we see in our country with several contradictions, but this will happen. This is what history wants. But more important, India is not looking for a superpower. It is not our objective to be a superpower or a super rich country. And as our Prime Minister says, we want to be Vishwaguru. We want to show the direction for the entire 7 billion people of all the world. And that's what our historical role is. Our country has been named as Bharat. I will end with this. Bha means knowledge. Prabha. Rat means the society, the nation that is engaged in the pursuit of that knowledge. So we are the society that is engaged in the joyful pursuit of knowledge. Satyam Shivam Sundaram, that is the emblem of this university. Our destiny is knowledge. not only to ourselves, but to the entire world, all beings of the world. May that dream be realized, I pray, and may our university show some great direction in this way, as he has shown in the past, and let us be proud owners, proud visualizers, proud dreamers of that day when our nation will become Vishwaguru and our university will play a great role in that process. Thank you very much, Honorable Chancellor, for inviting for me for this occasion. It's a great moment of pride, and I am overwhelmed. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I speak on behalf of the MSU Parivar and especially the students of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. Until the time we have alumnus, sir, like you, Dr. Bhatkar, and visionaries like Lord Bhikhu Parekh, and corporate giants like Sun Pharmaceuticals and Larsen and Toubro, and their top brass gracing the occasion, I think we are in very, very safe hands. Today, I also remember Srimant Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad III and our former Chancellor, ma'am, late Srimati Mrinalini Devi Puwar, who worked untiringly to see our Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda getting the A accreditation from the NEC peer team. Now, the most important part of the convocation, the 65th annual convocation of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, the award of gold medals by the Honorable Madam Chancellor, and I shall request the Registrar ma'am to begin the proceedings.
The Chancellor's Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Binita Jagdish Chandra Agarwal, who has passed the M.Ed.M examination at the first attempt, obtaining the highest percentage.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Chancellor's Gold Medal. A good round of applause. And this applause must continue all throughout. We have 259 gold medals to be awarded this afternoon. I request the press media to take a position in order that the recipients' parents and the invited guests can see their wards receiving the gold medals. Kindly take appropriate position. It is my utter request to all the media personnel present here.
The C. Gopalan Srikantia Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Maushmi Shah, who has passed MSc Foods and Nutrition examination at first attempt with specialization Public Health Nutrition for an outstanding postgraduate thesis submitted for a master's degree in the area of foods and nutrition. Srimati Hansa Mehta Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Ruchi Jayesh Bhai Shah, who has passed MBBS examination at first attempt with MBBS obtaining the highest number of marks.
And ladies and gentlemen, please hold your breaths. This young achiever, Ruchi, has bagged not one, two, three, four, but 10 gold medals in all. Dr. Srimati Indumati Thakur Bhai Patel Gold Medal in Surgery, Vijaya Gauri and late Vinayak Rao Yagnik Gold Medal, Dr. H.C. Srivastava MSFA MS Gold, Dr. Srimati Indumati Thakur Bhai Patel Memorial Gold Medal, Dr. Manilal Lallubai Parikh Gold Medal, Dr. Yogendra Divanji and Mrs. Damyanti Divanji Gold Medal, Sushmita Patel Memorial Gold Medal, late Dr. G.N. Shukla Gold Medal, Dr. R.B. Udwadia Gold Medal in ENT, and late Dr. V.C. Patel Memorial Gold Medal in Surgery in final MBBS. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kumari Ruchi Jayesh Bhai Shah. Srimati Saraswati Jayantilal Bhatt Gopal Krishna Trust Gold Medal is awarded to Kumari Mokshada Rajnikant Pujara, and she receives 4 gold medals. Kumari Mokshada Rajnikant Pujara, Shri Vimochan Rao Dinkar Rao Desai Gold Medal, Vakil Nanalal Mohanlal Parikh Mahavastra, and Mangla Ben Jayanti Bhai Thakkar Gold Medal. Lord's Tyrrell Leith number 43 gold medal has been awarded to Kumari Reshma Khomdaram, who has passed MA History examination. The next is Yuga Shakti Dr. Hareshwari Devi Rashtrabhasha Hindi Gold Medal has been awarded to Shri Ajay Deepak Bhai Pagi, and he is awarded 2 gold medals. Pandit Lalit Kishore Sharma Gold Medal in MA with Hindi. Yuga Shakti Dr. Hareshwari Devi Rashtrabhasha Hindi Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Shakuntala Ben Harivadan Bhai Suthar, and she is also awarded the second Pandit Lalit Kishore Sharma Gold Medal in MA with Hindi. Kumari Hetal Ben Nagin Bhai Vankar receives 2 gold medals, Professor Bhogilal J. Sandesra Gold Medal and Srimati Mangla Gauri Shankarlal Choksi Gold Medal for passing BA Gujarati. UP Shah Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Shruti Sharma, and she has also been awarded the late Professor Benda Pudi Subbarao Memorial Gold Medal. Shakespeare Society Professor V.Y. Kantak Gold Medal is awarded to Kumari Ambika Hijam, who has passed MA English examination.
Shakespeare Society Professor V.Y. Kantak Gold Medal will be awarded to Kumari Pauregambi Sohaiban. Rao Bahadur Govind Bhai Hathi Bhai Desai Memorial Gold Medal and Shri Hiralal Bhagwanji Majmudar Gold Medal will be awarded to Nikita Narayan Tang. Shastri Mohanlal R. Joshi Gold Medal will be awarded to Kumari Meena Ben Mepa Bhai Waghela. Professor K.S. Desai Gold Medal in Political Science and late Shri Muhammad Hanif Munshi Memorial Gold Medal will be awarded to Shri Serin Norbu. Mukunda Gold Medal and Shri Mohanlal Hargovindas Katawala Gold Medal will be awarded to Sonal Mukesh Joshi. Shrimati Sushila Rani Sharma Gold Medal and Shri Janardhan C. Mehta Gold Medal will be awarded to Kumari Drashtri Kulshrestha. Late Professor Anand Ganesh Javdekar Gold Medal in Philosophy will be awarded to Shri Vijay Naryani. Pandit Lalit Kishore Sharma Gold Medal in BA with Hindi has been awarded to Kumari Nisha Tiwari. Late Professor Dr. Labh Shankar Mafatlal Padya Memorial Gold Medal and Srimati Shashikala Anand Godbole Memorial Gold Medal will be received by Kumari Shivangi Bhalchandra Trivedi. Shri Chandulal Sampat Sharma Memorial Gold Medal, Ved Shastra Sampan Lakshminath Badrinath Shastri Memorial Fund Mahavastra, and Shri Vaman Narayan Nasikar sponsored gold medal in memory of his parents late Shri Narayan Rao Nasikar and late Srimati Tarabai Nasikar will be delivered to Vijay Kumar Keshavlal Upadhyay.
Shri Jignesh Chandrakant Bhai Jingar is awarded 2 gold medals, Shri Kantibai Vitthal Das Dalia Memorial Prize and Alembic Gold Medal, who passed Shastri examination. Shri Jignesh Chandrakant Bhai Jingar. Now we have the gold medalists from the Faculty of Science. Kumari Hemangi Rajendra Patel receives 2 gold medals, Dr. Hans Hubeck gold medal for analytical chemistry and Dr. Sujata S. Kansara gold medal, who has passed MSc program in analytical chemistry. Vaidya Narayan Rao Vaman Rao Hardikar gold medal has been awarded to Kumari Amrita Nandalal Chaurasya for passing MSc program in botany. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep on applauding our students. Professor S.K. Shah gold medal has been awarded to Kumari Hiral Ishwar Bhai Patel and she receives 2 more gold medals. Professor D.V. Gopte gold medal for physics and late Dr. Jatush Vipin Chandra Seth gold medal as topper at the MSc Nuclear Physics examination. Srimati Padmavati Arvind Kalamkar Memorial Gold Medal has been awarded to Shri Devarshi Sanjay Joshi for passing MSc Biostatistics examination. Srimati Vijaya Lakshmi Shankar Bhai Waghela Memorial Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Bhaval Ben Kiran Bhai Parmar for passing BSc Final Zoology. Professor J.C. George Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Priya Singh, who has passed MSc program in Zoology examination. Shri Jitendra Singh Shekhawat receives 2 gold medals, Professor S.M. Setna Memorial Gold Medal for MSc and Professor K.N. Trivedi Memorial Gold Medal for passing MSc program in Organic Chemistry. Dr. C.S. Patel Gold Medal in Chemistry is awarded to Kumari Gargi Pradeep Bhatt, who also receives Professor P.K. Bhattacharya Gold Medal for MSc program in Inorganic Chemistry.
Professor Rana Mukhopadhyay Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Nafisa Khariullah. Maharaja Sayajirao Anil Sachan Gold Medal in Environment Science will be awarded to Kumari Amruta Ashish Dimke. Dr. V.N. Kulkarni Memorial Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Mitali Rajendra Trivedi. Professor N.M. Bhatt Gold Medal in Statistics will be awarded to Kumari Heli Vasudev Purohit. Dr. C.H. Patel Gold Medal in Biochemistry and Dr. Srimati Dharmishta V. Shah Gold Medal in Biochemistry will be awarded to Shri Chitrang Kamal Dani. Dr. A.N. Kachi Memorial Gold Medal in Microbiology will be awarded to Kumari Ruchi Anup. Dr. V.V. Modi Gold Medal in Biotechnology will be awarded to Shri Brijesh Harnish Gada. Lodge Tyrrell Leth number 43 Gold Medal will be awarded to Shri Rohan Baban Rajvatkar. Shri Ranchodlal Chotalal Shah Gold Medal in Mathematics and Srimati Shivgauri Chandulal Lallu Badarwala Gold Medal will be awarded to Kumari Anmol Kishore Kesharwani. Professor Ashok Manilal Parikh Gold Medal will be awarded to Mandeep Kaur. Professor R.V. Shah Gold Medal in Zoology and Professor V.C. Shah Gold Medal in Zoology and Professor Bonipailo Gold Medal in Zoology will be received by Kumari B.V. Aditi Prasad. Dr. V.M. Shah Gold Medal will be awarded to Prince Ashwin Bhai Bua. Shrimati Jacorben Majmudar Gold Medal, Principal Avsare Memorial Gold Medal and Professor S.N. Sethna Memorial Gold Medal will be awarded to Kumari Prachi Aditya Bhai Bhatt.
Ladies and gentlemen, Professor V.S. Patel Consulting and Visiting Professor Gold Medal is being awarded to Kumari Sherry Sterling Thandale, who has passed BSc Environmental Science examination. Professor N.M. Vashi Gold Medal is awarded to Kumari Shweta Arvind Vaijani for BSc Geology examination. May I request all students present here on the stage who have received their gold medals and certificate to kindly vacate the stage. Shri Shankar Lal Maniklal Choksi Gold Medal is awarded to Kumari Kruti Manjibai Haranya. She is not here. Shri Shankar Lal Maniklal Choksi Gold Medal is awarded to Shri Darshil Kumar Praveen Bhai Chodwadia. Professor Nikhil Desai Gold Medal is awarded to Kumari Kesha Keur Dalal. Integrated Program in Cellular Molecular Biology. Now we come to the gold medalists from the Faculty of Education and Psychology. Professor Ashok Manilal Parikh Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Krupali Kishore Panchal for passing BCA examination. Dr. V.G. Pathak Memorial Gold Medal in Botany has been awarded to Kumari Asha Parihar for passing BSc examination. Now we have gold medalists from the Faculty of Education and Psychology. Late Professor T.K.N. Menon Gold Medal is awarded to Kumari Mrunal Harshad Rai Damania. MA Psychology examination. Mrunal Harshad Rai Damania. Kumari Hemita Ben Shailesh Kumar Shah receives 2 gold medals, Dr. P.B. Dektawala gold medal and Platinum Jubilee gold medal of the Education and Psychology for passing PDEM examination. Swarnim Gujarat Organization Development Seminar gold medal is awarded to Kumari Raisa Tinwala for passing BA Psychology. Swarnim Gujarat Organization Development Gold Medal is awarded to Kumari Preeti Ben Ajit Kumar Surti, who also receives Swarnim Gujarat Organization Development Seminar Gold Medal. She receives 2 gold medals for passing MA Psychology.
Professor V.Y. Kolatkar Gold Medal, late Shri Nagindas Mathuradas Shah Gold Medal and Shri Manhar Rai V. Desai Gold Medal has been awarded to Harvendra Kansara Shri Yashpal Singh. Cooperative Bank of Baroda Limited Gold Medal and Professor V.H. Elavia Education Trust Gold Medal will be awarded to Kumari Naina Shyam Kumar Sohanda. Labhubain Mehta Gold Medal and Dr. D.K. Shukla Memorial Gold Medal will be awarded to Kumari Hiral Jayesh Trivedi. Vakil Chunilal Babardas Shah and Srimati Parvatiben Chunilal Shah Memorial Gold Medal has been awarded to Kumari Pallavi Dipendu Maiti. The President, the Government Servants Cooperative Credit Society Limited Baroda Gold Medal will be awarded to Kumari